Hi everyone, and welcome back to another App Tutor video. Today we're going to show you how you can create this Goodbye 2024, Hello 2025 TikTok and Instagram Reels trending video in just a couple of simple steps. Whether you're highlighting your best memories of 2024 or setting big goals for 2025, this step-by-step guide will make your video stand out. So before we start, we will need the CapCut editing app, as well as TikTok. Both applications are free and they're both available on the App Store, as well as the Google Play Store. Now let's first open the TikTok editing app and then go over to the search bar by clicking on the little magnifying glass at the top right corner of the screen. We'll want to type Goodbye 2024, Hello 2025, and then hit enter on your keyboard. You'll then get a bunch of different videos in the search results, and all of these videos have cool templates applied to them. I will select this specific video which has the text which I need, and then it slowly show the best memories from this year. And in order to create a video like this one, you'll click on this CapCut Try This Template option right here. Then, use template in CapCut. Wait a second or two until this template imports into our CapCut editing application, and you will get a little preview on how that specific template looks like. The next step is to click on this Use Template button, which will open our photo gallery. And our job is to select the photos and videos which you want to use with this trend. I'm going to make my selection, and after that I'll tap on the next option at the bottom right corner. CapCut will then apply the template and create our video in a couple of seconds. I'll then get a preview of my video, and if I'm happy with my video, I can just tap on the export button at the top right corner of the screen, and that will save my video to the camera roll or the photo gallery. Leave a comment down below on what your favorite moment of 2024 was, and I wish you a happy new year, everyone.